know, some tribes communicate with dance and music and drawings and other kinds of art. Do you guys think this Geo can dance?
Yes.
You do?
Yes.
All right, I don't know about that. Let's see.
Oppan Gangnam Style.
Nap. These documentaries are so tiring. And that's one way she can do it. Let's see how else she might be able to sleep. Oh, that looks like a much more reasonable way. She can just haul out on land and sleep lying down. Now she just needs to wake up. All right, good job. Well, now that we've gotten a little nap, I wonder what else they can do with that long neck. Wow, Gia's really stretching that neck in order to balance that ball. She worked on this all winter long. Good job. All right, do you see those whiskers on her face? Those whiskers are called vibrissae, and they're very, very sensitive, and that's something that helps her to find her food. Now, what do you guys think they eat? Fish? Like that? All right. Well, let's see if this... Oh, good job. Well, let's do a little trick here. Let's try. This guy here in the blue. When I say on the count of 3, will you clap, please? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Looks like she only does it for her trainer. All right. Well, that was a good experiment. Does she take very good care of her teeth? Let's see, since she does. Oh, did you guys see? Who saw how many bites it took her in order to eat her fish? 1, 2? It's a trick question. She doesn't chew her food. She swallows it whole. All her teeth are hook-shaped to grab onto those fish, so then she just gets it comfortable in her mouth and swallows it down whole. So let's talk about taking good care of our teeth. Raise your hand out there if you brush your teeth. Now, if you see someone whose hand is not raised, don't get close to them. Geo also allows us to mess around with her teeth and brush her teeth so that she can have really good oral hygiene as well. Yes, it's so important. All right, and that's a very good example of the trust that our trainers have to have with our animals in order to make sure that we take very good care of them. And training is a great way that we can do that. See, the trainer has fish. And once Geo does what we've asked her to do, she gets a reward, which is fish. That way we can take better care of them, just like you guys saw. All right, earlier we talked about how sharks were a threat. Another thing that might be a threat to them is running out of food. That would be very bad, and that is